Amazon is an automated platform that will reward you for giving a great customer experience. What does that mean? It means you're giving customers what they want. People search for something, they click on it, they buy it. Now, how do we do that? We've got to have a good product. You have to have a good product that doesn't break. People don't want to give returns. It's described in the right way so people know what they're buying. So part of that is again the keywords, and it's just as important in French as it is in English. It's just as important in Swedish as it is in French. People want to be searching for the right words. You've got the right words in the title, the bullets, the back office, i.e. what you don't see on the Amazon product page, but you see in Seller Central. And the keywords have got to be relevant to the product. So when people search, they find what they want and they're likely to click on it. The next thing we need to do is get people to see that listing. We need to get people through the right type of search and through paid advertising, all sorts of different ways. Once people are being encouraged to look at your product, we need to make sure that they click on it. That validates the keyword. People see the ad, they love the price, they click on it, they click on your listing. That is then telling the Amazon algorithm that you are serving the customer needs and they're interested in what you've got to buy. However, we've actually got to get them to buy, so we need them to convert. Conversion means taking someone interested into a buyer, a browser into a customer. It's not enough to just plonk a load of descriptions on Amazon. We want to get emotional triggers, buyer engagement, tell people about your brand. We want videos if we can get them, A+ content, answer people's questions, all of that stuff that allows us to get buy-in from a consumer that's looking at 1 trillion products on Amazon. There are so many competitors. What's going to build their trust? All of these help the trust. They allow people to think they might buy from your stuff. There is some keyword ranking in this, but not much. The enhanced brand content or the A+, not much. And then people leave you reviews. You're giving them a good customer experience. The unboxing experience is good. All of these things will impact the product launch.